The Galaxy S8 may have arrived on shelves mere months ago, but reports claim that Samsung has already started production of this year's flagship, the Galaxy S9. The rumors are coming thick and fast for what the new phone will look like and feature, so we've sifted through to bring you the information you need to know about this incoming phone, as well as answering some key questions. We've done some digging, and this isn't all we know about the so-called Galaxy S9, so we've rounded up everything we know about the handset so far. What's the new Samsung Galaxy S9 news? A photo seemingly showing the Galaxy S9's back glass has leaked, as have several case renders. Plus we've heard word the Galaxy S9 will keep its 3.5mm headphone jack. Specs: 5.8 in, 6.2 in QHD plus Super AMOLED curved display, 570p, 529p. Android 8.0. Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, US Samsung Exynos, UK. Cat 18 LT support, 1.2 Gbps download speeds. Display embedded fingerprint scanner. Dual rear-facing camera. Bixby AI assistant with dedicated button. USB-C, 3.5mm headphone jack. Release date: we're expecting a February or March 2018 launch. While recent rumors suggest the S9 will launch in January, that seems too early given people are locked into contract cycles. There was talk that it might be teased at CES in January, before a March launch, but Samsung has now come out and said that any showing of the S9 in January is unlikely. Price: we're expecting £639, $725, 1,200 Australian dollars based on current projections, as the Galaxy S9 is likely to come in around the same price as its predecessor. Given we're not expecting massive design changes, we doubt too high a price rise.